Hey guys, if you're into woodworking at all, may have something here for you. Over 16,000 woodworking plans. So here's a short review video. I will leave a link to the plans and to find out more about the plans in the description below.
Hey everyone, Barry here in Nebraska. I'd like to give a big shout out to Ted. I recently came across Ted's woodworking online course, and I'm so glad that I did. The amount of plans included with the program simply blew my mind. The content they offer with the course provided me with so many ideas for creative projects, as well as some awesome furniture ideas and plans that my wife now wants in our home. If you're considering buying Ted's woodworking course, the return on your investment will be lifelong. Being one that loves woodworking, I have to say, they offer the most detailed collection of plans I've ever seen. I would also rank it as one of the best values of any woodworking course I've ever taken. Thanks for creating it, Ted. You did well.